Good morning. Dito kami sa breakfast. Coffee.
Well, it's already. I might try this coffee here, but.
Yeah, try that. And then just put cream. Here. Milk. Yeah, go. How about for me? Can I try that as well? Here. For myself. Oh, wait. Okay, go. Not much. That's it. Thanks. And
Take both coffees.
Oops, can you add more to mine, please? Thank you. Alright, ito yung breakfast natin. Egg yan, guys, na nirap ng bacon. And then we have croissant, beans, tomato, and then I have my toast. Tapos, what do you have in there, babe?
Egg, tomato, baked beans.
Egg, tomato, baked beans, and is that orange juice?
Yep.
And then I have apple juice, and then coffee. Tatlong coffee. Maliit lang yung area nila, pero okay lang naman. Nandun na ulit si Dan, guys. Meron silang Kangaroo Island honey dun eh. Yan dito lang nakukuha ng honey. Nilalagay niya sa toast ni ata. Breakfast is done, guys. Let's fix our hair. Sobrang nagmadali ako kanina. Nag-apply ako ng makeup ng slight lang. Tapos hindi ko siya natapos kasi yung breakfast nila 6:30 to 9 lang. 7:30 is it? 7:30 to 9. Hindi 6:30. 7:30 to 9 lang. So, mabilis matapos yung breakfast nila, guys. It's not even 8:30 yet. Mabilis lang kami matapos din doon. Anyway, mag-blush lang ako. Tapos, magsispray. Ito pala yung dala ko na, makeup bag. Marc Jacobs na makeup bag. Bigay sa akin ni Catherine. Thank you! The Fabzilla on YouTube. Yung foundation na gamit ko is my favorite go-to foundation. The Hourglass na Vanish Foundation. On my brows is the usual Make Brow. Concealer is the NARS Radiant Concealer in the shade Ginger. I think mag-ano ako ngayon. Magmamaskara. Yung gagamitin ko is the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Mascara. So, yung blush ko nadala, ito lang yung isa blush ko nadala. Yung mga pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, yun lang yung foundation ko nadala. Ganon-ganon. Kasi isa lang talaga yung dinadala ko every trip. Lalo na kapag ganito, 4 days lang. I'll be using the Ambient Lighting Blush in Diffused Heat. And then for my blush, I brought my Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. Wala pa pala akong lipstick. Ano ba lipstick dala ko dito? I don't know. I think mag-ano lang ako. Liliptin. Pero curl muna natin yung ating lashes. Yung gagawin namin today is magdadrive kami papunta sa... Actually, hindi ko alam. Nakalimutan ko yung sabi nila. Basta magdadrive kami and it is... How many hours drive, babe?
Just over an hour.
Okay. Hindi naman pala ganun katagal. And what time are we leaving?
Earlier, 10 or so. 9:30, 10.
Okay, alright. So, meron pa tayo mga 1 oras, 2 oras dito, guys. Chill muna tayo. And when I say chill, I usually edit. Wala akong chill. Hindi ko kayang mag-chill lang. Gusto ko mayroong laging ginagawa. Ang mirror nila dito, guys, ito lang. Itong nasa banyo. Pero wala silang pang OOTD na mirror sa labas. Pero okay lang naman. I'm not complaining. We actually got the best room kasi nag-request si Dan itong room na to. Siya na talaga. Nakita niya kasi sa TripAdvisor na itong room na to daw yung pinaka magandang room. Kasi mas malaki siya compared sa other room kasi nasa corner kami. So, kami yung pinaka-last na room dito. And then, yung ibang room, isang window lang siya. Kasi, diba, nasa ano na siya. Gitna na silang lahat. Kami, kasi nasa dulo kami, meron kaming 2 window. So, meron kaming window dito sa side, meron kaming window dito sa side. So, yung view namin, mas malaki and mas maganda. So, nag-request si Dan sa hotel na pwede bang yung room na yan yung amin. By the way, yung suot ko is yung nakuha talaga, nabili ko from Temp. Ito yung very nice na parang lavender leggings na I got from Target. And then I will be wearing, I think, my today. So yung white sneakers ko na I got from Romeo, I think. So yun lang. Actually, I don't think I will touch my hair. I think ganito na lang siya. Paagay. Wala din akong dalang suklay. Yung suklay talaga lagi ko nakakalimutan kasi hindi naman ako nagsusuklay ng buhok. Anyway, ganyan lang no. Okay lang naman. Hindi ko na lang siya gagalawin. Wow, ang puti ng mukha ko. Tignan. Wait, hindi siya ganyan kaputi. Umayos ka. Oy, camera. Nakakaloka. Wow. Malamig, guys. Tingnan niyo yung sasakyan. May fog. Tapos yung harap din. Oh, sobrang lamig dito sa loob. It's really cold in here. Inside. Yeah. Let's turn the heater on. Heater. So the drive will be around an hour and a half. And actually hindi ko alam kung anong ganap dun. I was gonna wear my sneakers, kaya lang hindi ko gusto yung look niya. Hindi ko talaga makita yung ano, kasi yung outfit ko, kasi walang outfit mirror. Anyway, ito lang yung suot ko, guys. Okay lang naman siya. Still keeps my feet warm. Tapos today, hindi naman siya as in, like, it's cold, but the sun will be out, so I should be alright. I also brought my cardigan just in case. And yan. I actually really like this top, this jumper. Okay, let's go! Wala talaga. Do they break your car? Like, do they dent your car?
Oh, yeah. If I hit one, it could ride off the car.
Really?
Yeah.
Be very careful, babe.
We don't have kangaroo insurance either.
What does that mean?
Where if you hit a car and rides it off, the insurance doesn't cover it.
The car?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Just kidding.
Babe.
Kangaroo insurance.
Who knows? You're in bloody Australia. I don't know.
Kangaroo insurance.
Kangaroo insurance. So if something happens to the car, whatever it is, you're insured.
I think so.
Yeah.
Bloody hope so.
Bloody hope so, mate. Diba sabi ko kanina 1 hour and 30 minutes, it's only an hour lang pala, guys. So we have 37 minutes left travel time. And nandun na kami. You wanna say something?
No.
No? Uy, thank you for your 10K.
I already said that.
That's on Instagram story. This is on YouTube. The video, guys, that he did, yung pa-surprise niya, reached 10,000 likes.
Thank you for the 10K.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
He will vlog when?
This year.
This year. Vlog yan, guys. Promise. Hindi niya kasi in-expect. Akala niya, sabi niya, 10K, hindi aabot yan. Imposible daw. But, yeah, umabot siya. 10K na siya. 10K plus na siya. So, thank you, guys. He will vlog daw, but we do not know when yet. Huwag natin siyang pilitin. Pero gagawin niya yan. Kasi ganyan naman yan eh. Bigla na lang gagawin. Bigla na lang magkakamood. Like, nung nag-vlog nga siya, hindi ko nga sinabi. Hindi ako nagparinig walay, pero nag-vlog. So, yeah. Siya na bahala. Ano natin siya? Let's give him time. Char! Give him time talaga. Vibe? Yes?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Guys, we're almost there. And then, nandyan siya. Oh. Diyan. Flinders Chase National Park. Diyan kami pupunta. Wala lang. Nag-drive lang kami para makita nyo yung sign. Okay, let's go guys. Sobrang laki daw nitong park na to, guys. This is a massive park, babe, is it?
Yep.
Sobrang laki daw niya.
Huge.
Our travel time was actually an hour and 20 minutes. Or maybe
no, a little bit less.
Less. An hour and 15 minutes. Kasi yung pagdating namin, yung sinabi ng map, na doon na yung Flinders, wala pa. So, nag-drive pa kami. And it was a bit like scary kasi walang reception. Pero okay lang kasi yung maps namin, meron siya. Kaya lang yung phone wala. But yeah, we're here. Guys, nandito na kami. Bumalik lang si Dan dun sa car kasi meron kaming sign na nakita dito na please remember your vehicle's number plate, and hindi namin alam yung plate number. So, yeah. Ano kasi to, hindi kasi to lakad-lakad lang. We will actually drive and kasi sobrang laki ng property or ng park. So, mag-drive kami, makikita namin yung mga ano. Oh, yeah. No, that's right. How long is the drive, do you think? Look at this. This, babe. Take it.
What is it? Take it off.
It's you and me. Move the kangaroo. And then there's koalas as well. Look at this. Ay, cute. Fridge magnet siya, guys. May kangaroo, may koala. Babe, this is you and me, babe. You, me. Dito na kami sa loob, nakabayad na sedan. Babe, they actually have nice magnets here. Kangaroo Island magnet. Do you know that we have something like this at home? Like this. Someone gave it to us. Someone gave it to mom. Oh, interesting. Meron silang mga rocks dito, guys. Babe, look at this. Ito. Oh. Ganyan, guys. Yan. This one. Dissolved limestone transformed into cave decoration. Cool. How's your pie?
No, did the job.
Alright, let's go. Guys, nasimulan na namin yung drive namin. And I think we drove for like maybe mga 5 minutes, maybe more. And yung first stop is the Bunker Hill Lookout. Okay, tingnan natin kung anong meron sa Bunker Hill Lookout. Wala lang, ito lang. Looks good. Guys, nandito kami sa harap ng lighthouse and look at this view. Sobrang ganda ng view. Ganda, sobra. Ganda ng view. Ganda ng view. Are we walking?
Yeah, we'll walk the car down. Ah, yeah.
They're just chilling. That's you. That's you. Aww, they're so cute. Vlogging. Oh, nice. Picture, babe.
Oh, right. Let's go.
Prohibited area. Oh, bleeding area. Guys, nandito yung spirit animal ni Dan. Nakita ko sa inyo. Yan o. Naka-chill. Ayan. Chillin'. Marami pa sila dun. Ang cute nila. Dito pala kami sa Admiral's Arch. Ayan. Hindi masyadong kita pero arch siya, guys. Ganda dito. Grabe. As in. Selfie the war. Where are we going?
Remarkable rocks.
Remarkable rocks. Ito, guys. Remarkable rocks. So, meron na naman tayo. What?
No drums.
No drums. Ah, yeah. Ah, cool. Ito yung Remarkable Rocks, guys. Over 500 million years ago, biglang nag-form yung base ng rock. Tapos, nag-follow na lang yung iba. Dito na kami sa Remarkable Rocks, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda-ganda. See? Ang ganda, guys. Picture-picture kami ni Dan kanina. Ganda ng mga formation. Paano kaya to? Nangyari, no? Grabe. Good job, babe. Ooh, that one looks cool, babe. Yeah. Oh, that looks good.
After painting for 500 million years, this crushes me.
Now I want. Ang ganda dito, guys. Sabi ko kay Dan, maganda siyang place para mag-propose. Propose ka, babe?
Done it once is enough.
May paluhod-luhod siya kanina. Siya sabi, gawin ko ulit. Itong tawag ka. Guys, nandito kami sa Stroke. What?
Stokes.
Stokes Beach pala, guys. Stokes Beach. Hala, saan na tayo? Naglalakad lang kami kasi may sign na sabi beach. Kasi kung dito, hindi naman siya ganun kagandahan. I know. So, there, my sign. And then, ooh, babe, maybe it's really good. So, we drove how many hours, babe, from the first location or the previous one?
About an hour.
An hour?
Hour.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Tingnan nyo itong dinadaanan natin, guys.
Pretty cool.
It must be a really nice beach.
Yeah.
Right?
It's hard to get to.
Ako pa yung nauna. Feeling ko naman alam na alam ko yung, hello, babe. Careful, babe. Will you fit in here? Hello. Are you right? Okay. We're almost there. I can see the light, babe. I can see the light. Oh, yes. Ay, wala akong bathers. Ay, okay. Wow.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. It is nice. Okay. Ayoko lumapit dun, guys. Ang lamig-lamig ng tubig. Grabe. Sobrang lamig ng tubig. Hoy, wag kang lumapit sa akin. Kaloka ka. Lamig-lamig mo. Alright, balik na kami dun, guys. Nag-walk lang kami dun, Nilakad namin dun, papunta dun, tapos pabalik. So now, we're going back. You lead the way, my love. Ang clear ng tubig, guys. Oh, grabe. No, I'm talking to the vlog. I said the water is so clear. Niwash lang namin yung paa namin dito. Kung wala yung sign na beach dun, wala. Hindi namin malalaman na may ganun. Walk that way. Lunch kami, guys. Isang order lang kami kasi hindi ko din mauubos. Yung fries, yung gusto kong fries, maninipis. Yum, we got the seafood platter. Kain. Si Dan may beer, akin Fanta. Babe, where are we?
Chaos Spirits.
Kangaroo Island Spirits, guys. Yung pinuntahan naman kahapon na close. And we got...
Affogato.
Affogato?
Affogato, so just do this.
Okay. Okay, I'll do mine. Dalawa yung in-order ni Dan. I actually was expecting you would just get one. And we will share.
No way.
So, meron siyang espresso, and then honey.
A liqueur.
And what?
Liqueur.
Liquor?
Liqueur.
Liqueur. Gusto ko kunin, pomegranate. Kukunin ko yan mamaya. Guys, lasing na ako, guys. Ito, I'm almost there, pero sobrang strong niya. Nung nakain ko na yung ice cream, wala na. Hindi ko na kaya. Pero ubusin ko yan. Maglalasing tayo today. Ito yung area nila, Ang ganda. Yung binibenta nila dito, puro spirits lang. Like mga gin, what else?
Sorry?
Mga spirits, guys. Basta hindi beer at saka hindi wine. Spirits yun. Guys, magdi-dinner lang kami, guys. Kanina pa kami dito sa bahay kasi nanood si Dan ng basketball niya. So, nag-take away lang kami. We got the chili crab linguine, dalawa. And we got garlic bread as well. So, yeah, kain tayo. Meron siyang tomato, tapos may mga chili, linguine.
I think it's the right choice for dinner tonight, this stuff. Do you reckon, babe? Their pizza didn't look anything fantastic compared to what ones we've been eating at Norwood. Norwood one looks way better.
You will now start comparing all the pizzas to that.
Yeah, that's a good pizza. That's a really good pizza.
Really? Guys, we're going fishing, you all. We're going fishing. Wala kasi akong jumper. Meron akong jumper sa ilalim, guys. Ito. Meron pa siyang hood. Pero hindi siya enough. So I'm wearing Dan's Port Power jumper, yo. Let's go fishing.
You're embarrassing.
Tara, guys. Let's go fishing, yo. Wait, are you just gonna wear thongs?
You wear your feet will be cold. You wear shoes.
Nah, I'll wear thongs.
Okay. Where's you got your camera? Got your phone?
I got my phone
Got your battery?
right here. I'm a kangaroo. What battery? I have my battery pack, yes.
Is it all full? Okay.
Yep. Let's go, people. Key bag, don't forget the key. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Dito na kami, guys. Ay, nako, itong si Danny Boy. Huy, ikaw pa ano-ano kanyang matamaan tayo niyan. Uy, may hook pa naman yan. Taong to. May full moon, guys, pero nagtago na si Moon. It's actually nice. The weather is nice. Malamig siya kasi, of course, nandito tayo sa tubig, pero not as cold. So, we'll see. Will you catch any, babe?
Hello, babe?
Will you catch me a fish, please?
Catch you a shark.
Shark? Sounds good to me. Catch me a shark, please.
What are you doing, babe?
I'm casting.
Alright, let's watch.
Let's watch Simpler Race fail.
As you swing, release, let go of your finger. And wait, look behind you. It's caught up in the thing. Come, move over here, babe. So you're not. So,
That was a fail.
that was a fail. No, that's all right. Now flick it over. You gotta flick it. Now
So long.
wind it in. Just wind it in, and try again.
Again?
Yeah, try it again. Let go of it when it's about here, babe. Let go of the rod when it's about here, like the finger, and do it hard as well. Not bad. That's good.
That was good.
That was a good one. Now flick the thing back over, and then wind it so it's a bit tighter, and slowly wind it in. Good job, babe. Okay.
I thought meron, guys, pero I think na lang ako. Na parang ewan ko kung saan natama yung aking bait. Si Dan, hindi na niya tuloy maano. Are you serious? I got a fish? Babe, I got a shark.
Oh, you got a squid. Look at it.
A squid? Wait, where? I got a squid. No. I got dirt. We got dirt. We got leaves. Look. Yay!
Oh, babe, that was.
Bahay na kami, guys. Wala kaming nahuli. Hindi pala bahay, hotel. Hotel na kami. Wala kaming nahuli. Pero yun na yung vlog, guys. I hope na enjoy nyo. Please like this video if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night. Anniversary natin bukas, babe. Good night, guys. Mwah.